the incident in the train station.
Hi, Susan. How are you?
Hi, I'm fine. Thank you.
Today we are going to ask some questions to find out more about what happened at the train station and then be able to make our report and publish it in our editorial. Do you agree?
Yes, of course.
Oh, I was forgetting. We are also going to be recording everything. And Sarah, the girl who is there in that office, is going to be writing down the most important thing in this conversation. There's no problem with that, right?
No, it's fine. It seems perfect to me.
Okay, let's start. First, tell us what happened that day with details.
Okay, look, I was working. I was selling tickets at the train station. So while I was working, Mr. Hyde approached me to buy a ticket. Then I gave him the ticket. He paid me, and that's it. All good so far. Then, when he went to the benches to wait for the train, two boys approached him to steal his coat.
Okay, wait. Did you hear what they said?
Something like that. One said that his coat was nice, and the other one said that it was Christmas, and then they got closer and closer to him as if they were going to attack him. And then Mr. Hyde said that he didn't want to have any problem. And suddenly Mr. Hyde ran into a railing that separates the train track from the pedestrian crossing and fell right in the middle of the train track and was unconscious. Then the thieves fled screaming, let's go, because they couldn't get the boat and because they heard Mr. Hyde. Saying that, I ran to see what had happened and found Mr. Hyde unconscious. I tried to pick him up and I was yelling and asking if anyone could help me, but unluckily no one was around at the time. I saw Mr. Hyde and asked him if he was okay, if he could get up, if he was breathing, but he didn't say anything. Then I told him to get up, but he was not reacting either. And suddenly the train sounds. The train was approaching.